Hey, gorgeous viewers! Have you ever wished you could hit the refresh button on your skin? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we're about to unveil the secrets to tackling sagging skin and achieving a firmer, more youthful complexion. So stay tuned because this one's for you. Number 10. Stay hydrated. Staying properly hydrated is a fundamental aspect of skincare and overall health. When your body is well hydrated, it can better maintain the natural moisture balance in your skin, helping to keep it soft, supple, and resilient. Dehydration can lead to a dull complexion and exacerbate the appearance of sagging skin, fine lines, and wrinkles. Number 9. Eat a balanced diet. Maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet is not only vital for your overall health, but also plays a crucial role in skin health and firmness. Foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can help combat the effects of aging and promote collagen production, which is essential for skin elasticity. Vitamin C, found in citrus fruits and bell peppers, aids in collagen synthesis, while vitamin E, found in nuts and seeds, acts as an antioxidant to protect your skin from oxidative stress. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, can help maintain the skin's lipid barrier and hydration. Number 8. Collagen Supplements. Collagen supplements have gained popularity as a potential means to improve skin firmness and overall skin health. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to the skin, hair, nails, and connective tissues. While some studies suggest that collagen supplements may lead to increased skin elasticity and hydration, results can vary among individuals. If you're considering collagen supplements, consult with a healthcare professional or a dermatologist to determine the right type and dosage for your needs. It's essential to remember that dietary sources of collagen, such as bone broth and collagen-rich foods like chicken skin, may also be incorporated into your diet to support collagen production naturally. Number 7. Moisturize. Moisturizing your skin regularly is a fundamental step in maintaining its firmness and preventing dryness, which can accentuate the appearance of sagging skin and fine lines. A good moisturizer helps to lock in moisture and create a protective barrier on the skin's surface. Look for moisturizers that contain hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, which can hold water and keep your skin plump, glycerin, a humectant that draws in moisture, and ceramides that help maintain the skin's natural barrier. Number 6. Sun protection. Sun protection is paramount when it comes to maintaining skin firmness and preventing premature aging. Prolonged and unprotected sun exposure can lead to a breakdown of collagen and elastin fibers in the skin, contributing to sagging and the formation of wrinkles. To safeguard your skin, use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 daily, even on cloudy days or during the winter months. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours when outdoors and wear protective clothing, sunglasses, and a wide-brimmed hat for additional defense against harmful UV rays. Number 5. Exercise. Regular exercise offers numerous benefits for your overall health, and it can also positively impact the firmness and appearance of your skin. When you engage in physical activity, your heart rate increases, which boosts blood circulation throughout your body, including your skin. This improved circulation helps deliver vital nutrients and oxygen to skin cells, promoting skin health and a healthy glow. Number 4. Weight management. Weight management plays a crucial role in preventing and addressing sagging skin, particularly if you've experienced significant weight loss. Rapid weight loss can lead to the skin's inability to adapt quickly to your new body shape, resulting in loose and sagging skin. To minimize this, focus on gradual and sustainable weight loss through a balanced diet and regular exercise. Incorporating strength training exercises into your fitness routine can help tone and build muscle, filling out some of the loose skin. Number 3. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. Avoiding smoking and limiting alcohol consumption are essential for maintaining healthy skin and preventing premature sagging. Smoking has a detrimental impact on skin health as it narrows blood vessels, reducing blood flow and depleting the skin of oxygen and essential nutrients. This can lead to a breakdown of collagen and elastin, resulting in sagging, wrinkles, and a dull complexion. Similarly, excessive alcohol consumption can dehydrate the skin, causing it to lose its natural elasticity and firmness. It can also dilate blood vessels, leading to redness and puffiness. Number 2. Skincare routine. Establishing a consistent skincare routine is crucial for improving and maintaining skin firmness. A well-rounded routine typically includes cleansing, exfoliating, and using anti-aging products. Cleansing helps remove dirt, makeup, and impurities, promoting a clean canvas for subsequent skincare products. Exfoliation, whether through physical exfoliants or chemical exfoliants like alpha hydroxy acids, AAH, and beta hydroxy acids, BHAs, helps remove dead skin cells and can stimulate collagen production. Anti-aging products like retinoids, retinol, peptides, and antioxidants can target fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging by promoting collagen synthesis and fighting free radical damage. Number 1. Non-surgical procedures. Non-surgical procedures offer a range of effective options for improving skin firmness without the need for surgery. These treatments can be less invasive, have minimal downtime, and produce noticeable results. Some popular non-surgical options include laser therapy, which can stimulate collagen production and tighten the skin, radiofrequency treatments that use heat to promote collagen remodeling, ultrasound therapy to lift and tighten sagging skin, and dermal fillers that can restore volume to areas prone to sagging like cheeks and jowls. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our beauty and skincare adventures. Have questions or want to share your own tips? Leave them in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Remember, your skin is your canvas and you have the power to nurture it. Protect it and let your inner beauty shine. Until next time, stay fabulous and stay confident.